let's level up our sunflower. Starting with the sunflower that we already made, we are going to be working our new petals in between the old petals. So you're going to insert your hook in the middle of one of those petals and pull in a new color. Then chain 3. Next you're going to be double crocheting 2 together, and you're going to be doing that in your first petal and the second one. So yarn over and start your double crochet just like you normally would, and yarn over. When you pull through 2 loops, stop and start your next double crochet by going into that next petal. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, so now you have 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through all 3. Then we're going to start our chain 2 picot. To do that, chain 2, and then you'll see these little back nubby guys here. There's 3 of them. Go through the second one, so the middle one. Insert your hook and then do a slip stitch. I always do that. Then chain 3. Then do a slip stitch right back into the middle of that second petal. So that is your first petal. To start your next one, just slip stitch into the middle of the next petal and continue working the pattern just as before. When you get done, it's gonna look a little something like this. There should be 12 petals. Ooh, so pretty. You're gonna wanna make sure to tie in all those ends, or do what I did and put a bobby pin in them and pretend that you tied them in. Who cares? That's a sunflower.